Hafane, I'm Donna, the Foodie Flex, and we explore Guam through food, culture, and community, and a little bit of my life. Today, we're back at one of Guam's most iconic events, the Hågat Mango Festival. This is held during peak summertime, and if you're coming during the day, you need to prepare for the heat. It is hot, like really hot. Bring all your gear, hydrate, shade up, wear your best breathable fit. I'm warning you now, be prepared. Unless you don't care about the crowd and would rather go during the late afternoons, that's totally fine too. The Hågat Mango Festival, originally known as the Hågat Mango Festival, has been happening since 2006. Born from a love for Guam's favorite fruit and the island tradition of celebrating the summer mango harvest. And there are plenty of mangoes this year too, because in my previous mango festival video, there weren't that many because of the typhoon that recently passed. So yay! This 3-day event brings together mango growers, artists, vendors, and performers to kick off mango season with style. And of course, we were able to try out some food while we were here. We kicked off our food tour with Aurora del Sabor.
First and foremost, we got their fish tacos, topped with their specialty mango pickled de gallo, along with some other pickled stuff, pickled onions, corn tortillas with the fish tacos, drizzle this lime. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. Okay, let's do one bite. Ooh, that's a thick taco. Yep. Ooh. Mmm. Mm. Oh yeah, that's spicy, but not too spicy. Really refreshing with all of the vegetables that they put on top and the citrusy element from the pickled onions, the mango pickled de gallo. It's really good.
Let me see if I can pick this up. Let me get some of the onions. This is really good. Yeah, it's not that spicy.
It's just like a good amount of spiciness to get like the flavors going. Really love how tender the fish is too. Now we're gonna try the Dori Locos. So it has a lot. I'm seeing like sweet, savory, sour. So let's go try it.
Definitely got a tang to it, some spice. And then you get all the different textures from the, what is it, the melon? The melon? And the nuts and the chips.
I like that. Oh yeah. You really got like different textures. Got mango here. Wow, I never knew like these two could come together just like that. The first time I heard like there was fruit inside with the Doritos, I was like, I wonder how that's gonna work out. But it actually works out. You want juice? I know it's really hot. Oh! It depends on you. Be my, Leah, look, you want? Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Say gracias. Say thank you. He's saying it in a low voice. Thank you so much. All right, so now we have their combination. It's like it has some beef, pork, chicken. Yeah, we'll just see what it's all about. Drizzle some of that lime, of course. Ooh, this one looks like it has like a green salsa inside. And then it's topped with some cilantro. And I got the beef one, so it looks like Diane has the same thing. And some onions too. Ready? Cheers! Oh my god. That's so juicy.
The flavor of the, is it pork or beef?
I think it's beef. Or
We'll double check that. But it just hits you right away. And then, you know, the onions in there and then the touch of the cilantro. It's just,
that's really good. Yeah, you want some? That's really good. Oh my god.
Oh, look at all them juices.
What? Oh no! On my light too. Ooh, look at that. Let's make this quick because it's getting really hot.
Yep.
Woo! All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I love that flavor in that. It's different from the beef flavor, for sure. or whatever this is, it's a little sweeter. How they made the meat, it's a different seasoning, different flavor, a little bit sweeter, not too spicy. This whole dish is not, it's like mild. It's mild. Really good.
That's very good.
They also added in, oh, this is still piping hot. Chicken burrito. Look how massive this is. Next to our faces. Dude, okay. Because it's so hot. It's scorching hot right now. So I'm going to take a quick bite. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay, here, try it.
Okay, here. See some rice in there.
Wow. I have never tasted flavors like this. Like, they're not overpowering each other. So it looks like it has beans in here, some rice, and then the meat in here. They did say that they put in the mango pico de gallo. So, man, that meat is so good. Yeah. Last but not least, we're gonna try tamales. I don't think I've ever tried tamales like this. Have you?
I've never tried tamales, period.
Oh shoot,
Yeah,
really?
it's my first time.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at that. It's giving up on us.
Don't give up.
All right, so you just gotta open it up. See, it's wrapped in the corn. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really good. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's nice and soft. Oh, look at the meat in here. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Wow. That reminds me of like chilaquiles.
I was just about to say that.
It's so buttery though. It's so buttery, so moist. Like
What is
literally,
this? Oh, yeah, sorry.
it's like corn. So this is like made out of usually it's made out of like corn masa corn or
Yeah.
masa flour, which is made out of corn. So, oh my
It just
god,
melts in your mouth.
it was a good thing that this was our first stop because so full of flavor, but it's like all balanced out and every single item on the menu just seems to like blow my mind away with all the flavors. It's different. It's like authentic Mexican food. Really
The
good.
real deal. It's the
Yeah.
real deal.
Thank you so much, Aurora del Sabor, Jess and the team. You guys have been amazing and thank you for sharing your food with us to feature it on our channels. And you guys, whenever you see them, support them. Definitely try them out.
Swirly Twisted Creamery, who went all in on the mango theme.
Oh, sure, yes. Perfect. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh, that was fast. Okay, Mango Bliss. Dan, you want to grab that? Sure. Thank you. Ooh. Yee, Mango Bliss. Oh, shoot, that was fast. Whoa. Ooh. So that one is the Mango Madness. Oh, that looks damn. Perfect. Thank you so much. All right, so we're here at Swirly.
Twisted.
Swirly Twisted. That's a tongue twister.
It is.
Swirly Twisted Creamery. And we're going to be trying their mango ice cream. Look how smooth that looks. All right, take a first bite.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That is probably the smoothest mango ice cream I have ever ever tried.
I like it, the hint seasoning that comes in like right after that sweetness. You get
Right.
like salty, you get spicy, a little bit spicy.
It's amazing.
Mikey Guam and son, that ain't no joke. You gotta drink your water, you gotta
Yes.
stay hydrated.
Sign up for it? You signed up for it too?
Oh, not yet, but we can sign it. Okay, we're gonna sign the board. You guys have a different selection of ice cream swirls. So you can see there's like some cinnamon toast crunch, chocolate, like a s'mores. Then it has some cereals, had a cereal topping. What is that? The Foodie Flex and the Foodie Flex assistant. There you go. Miso mango. Now this is a mango dish. Look at that. They're not skipping with the mangoes at all. Holy cow, that looks amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab one. Okay, so this one's topped with their miso, like a miso dressing.
I just grabbed this small bit. I want to make sure I get one that's really coated.
There you
Has
go.
everything.
Cheers. What an interesting combination. It almost like at the very tip of it reminds me of like bagoong.
A little bit sour, a little bit savory. This is like, I don't know, I felt like if I was pregnant again, this is what I'd be craving.
I like how they serve the mangoes at the perfect time. It's like not overly ripe and not
Yeah.
overly like
Hard, yeah.
has a nice crispiness to it. That's a really interesting one. I like it. I think it's worth to try.
I think I want my mango like this now. And I would not have it any other way.
Okay.
Mango Bliss is a sparkling mango drink.
Okay, mango bliss. And then this is the mango sunrise.
Mango madness.
Oh my mango madness. Oh my gosh, look at the amount of mango pearls there are. Okay, so just an FYI, all of these mango dishes are specifically for the event. So if you guys like it, feel free to share, feel free to comment down below, letting them know that, hey, we want to try them out at their location in Chamorro Village.
If anyone else is gonna faint, if they could just do it now while they're here. Thank you very much. Just kidding, please. Stay hydrated, okay?
Oh
Drink
my
the water.
God.
Drink it up. One
Oh
more
my
time.
god, these aren't tapioca pearls, they're like the bubbles like that pop. Oh, that's so,
Are they mango? Mango pearls?
yeah,
Ooh.
it's like a,
What do they call it? Popping boba or something?
I think so, but that's such a nice surprise.
This one's refreshing too because of
To
the.
the stage
You just add this to anything and it just makes it refreshing. And then of course you have the mango flavor in this as well. It's really mango-y.
You gotta visit these guys
They're,
out, like,
they're on point with everything.
yeah, definitely holds up to the creamery. It's creamus. Here, let me try this one. Oh, that is a nice refresher. That's really good. So good because it never fails. Every year it gets hot. So FYI, make sure you come in prepared with a hat, for your shades and some comfortable wear. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing jeans right now, but I'm okay. Wear shorts.
Stay hydrated.
Yeah, stay hydrated. Bring your gallon of water or something, or your flask that keeps it cold, because it's gonna come in handy. Trust me. Unless you're gonna come at night, but it gets really busy at night. So you have to choose your battles.
Finally, we grabbed a Chesa plate from 50 Calzone. This was actually their last event to pop up as they have relocated to Alabama. So, for the folks out there, be sure to be on the lookout to try out local fusion food.
Dang, oh my god. Oh, we're gonna miss this. We're gonna miss this so much. Dude. I don't even know where to start. This is a loaded plate. Okay, so, woo, look at that brisket. We're gonna miss you guys. This is our last calzone, meaning to say that they're gonna be leaving in July. So we're gonna miss them so much. We'll miss these amazing platters that they put so much heart and soul into. Oh my god. That brisket is slightly sweet, has a smokiness to it. Along with that mac and cheese. Holy cow, that's really good. The fried chicken. That Japanese fried chicken always hits the spot. It's like a sweet soy with burrito. Dude, I can't forget the mango, okay? Mango de Nancy. We gotta take a dip of that. Mango de Nancy with vanilla honey. Why not? Mmm. Oh yeah. Sweet, tart, spicy. Ooh, that packs a punch right there. And we gotta try this amazing rib right here. Has a good bite to it. Slightly sweet too. A little bit savory. That slaw is just hiding underneath all of that meaty goodness. Let's try. That's like a sesame dressing sweet. It's really good. And of course, gotta try the pickled mango while it's here. Woo! Oh, that's pickled all right. Try again.
Love your video.
Thank you so much. Thank you. 50 Calzone, guys. Amazing. So good. Thank you so much, George, again, for blessing us with your amazing food. I'm so happy to be a part of this, to be a part of this family. And we wish you the best and safest travels.
Okay, we had plans to explore more, but honestly, the heat wore us out. So here's your pro tip. You come early and come hydrated, or come later with a bigger crowd. But all in all, come ready to eat and enjoy the views too. The Hågat Mango Festival is a delicious, emotional, beautifully local experience, and it keeps growing every year as long as there are mangoes. It's one of those don't miss festivals that captures everything we love about Guam. Make sure to follow for more island adventures and foodie finds, because you already know Guam stories taste better when we share them. See you in the next video. Bye!